Angles of triangles. Lesson 5.3. Today's standard is 8G5. The objective is to find missing angle measures in triangles. The essential question is, how can algebraic concepts be applied to geometry? The three internal angles of any triangle always add up to 180 degrees. I'm going to show the angle sum of a triangle. We're going to find out what type of angle does it make. I'm going to show the angle sum of a triangle. So I'm going to take this triangle and I'm going to tear the corners. I'm going to rearrange the torn pieces so that the corners all meet at one point. So as you can see, they form a straight line, and a straight line equals 180 degrees. So all of these angles together form a supplementary angle. Example 1. In triangle XYZ, if the measure of angle X equals 72 degrees and the measure of angle Y equals 74 degrees, what is the measure of angle Z? So what I'm going to do is take the information that I know and I'm going to plug it into my triangle. So I know that the measure of angle X equals 72 degrees. And the measure of angle Y equals 74 degrees. I'm going to take those two measures and I'm going to add them together. That will give me 146 degrees. Now, I know that the sum of all the angles inside a triangle equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 180 and I'm going to subtract 146. So 10 take away 6 will give me 4. 7 take away 4 will give me 3. That means that the measure of angle Z equals 34 degrees. Example 2. Find the third angle of a right triangle if the measure of one of the angles is 15 degrees. So what I'm going to do is draw a picture of a right triangle to help me. So we know that one of the angle measures is 90 degrees because they told us it's a right triangle. So this box means 90 degrees. They also told me that one of the angles is 15 degrees. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose this one up here. So what we need to do is find the measure of this angle. So I'm going to take 90 and 15 and add them together. That's going to give me 105 degrees. We also know that the sum of the angles inside of a triangle is 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 180 and I'm going to subtract 105. So 10 take away 5 will give me 5. 7 take away 0 gives me 7. So the missing angle measure is 75 degrees. Example 3. Refer to the figure at the right. Suppose the measure of angle 5 equals 147 degrees. Find the measure of angle 1. So what I know is that angle 5 equals 147 degrees. So I'm going to label that on my diagram. And I need to find the measure of angle 1. So what I notice is that angle 5 and angle 2 form a straight line. That means they're supplementary angles. And when added together, they equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 180 degrees and I'm going to subtract 147. This will give me the measure of angle 2, which becomes 33 degrees. I also notice that this triangle is a right triangle. So that means that this box is 90 degrees. So what I also know is that all the angle measures added together in a triangle equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 90 and 33 and add them together. And that's going to give me 123 degrees. Now, since I know that all the measures added together equal 180, I'm going to write 180 and I'm going to subtract 123 degrees. And that's going to give me 57 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 equals 57 degrees. Now I'm going to add a bonus question. I want to find the measure of angle 4. So what I notice is that angle 1 and angle 4 form a straight line. That means they are supplementary angles and they add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 180 and I'm going to subtract the measure of angle 1, which is 57 degrees. When I subtract, I'm left with 123 degrees. That means the measure of angle 4 equals 123 degrees.